Hey guys, it is the 5th December. I think that is how it's pronounced, but if not, I hope you know what I mean. We have this Titan today, and we have to make it focus. There we go. And now we are at it. We can just as well show you this. It's a nice 5-pinner with pin number 1 as a very high cut right here. And the rest is pretty flat, and I can't use that. I can't even read what is on it. Oops, that's the camera. But it works beautifully, and this is definitely going to my collection when I'm done. And it's done on the tree. Alright, let's see if I can get this picked, because I just quickly tried earlier yesterday and I just couldn't get it open. Let's see if I can. 1, 2, come on, 3, 4. Oh, I don't know what I did. I just moved the pick in, but it's open. Let us try again, because that I don't know what I did. And pin 1 is high, 2, 3, 4. Again? Huh. Alright. That feels weird, because I push pin 1 and get a click. 2, 3, I go to 4, nothing, and then I just move the pick in and it's open. That's a little weird, but it's open, and I don't think I have a chance to rake or anything on this with that high cut in number 1. So I just think we keep it as that. That was a short one, but it's open. Alright, let's put it on the tree. Let's see, where should we put it? I guess right there. If I can get over there. There we go. 3 more, 1 over here and 2 here. Then the top is covered. That's nice. I have to get back to the table. There we go. Alright, that's all for today, guys. Thanks for watching and have a good day.